up guys, welcome to the new video and I am Simple Leopard. Today is a very special video. Why? Because a lot of the people have told me, suggested me and asked me to get this special product because I'm really into streaming. I'm really into streaming BGMI and this is going to help me. So finally I have bought myself Elgato. This is the Elgato HD60X. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so ये रहा डब्बा और इसके ऊपर ही सेलर ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पूरी लुक खराब कर दिया है, बट इट्स ओके. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे HD60X कार्ड का नाम लिखा है, प्ले एंड क्रिएट ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. इट हैज NVIDIA G-Sync in this, 4K 60 HDR pass through, 1080 60 HDR कैप्चर करता है, PS5 and Xbox console optimized. Nice. On the sides, what do we have? We have more information, high frame rate pass through, ultra low latency, HDR10 capture, HDR10 tone mapping, audio input भी है और USB 3 का interface है. On the left side, we just have game capture HD60X और यहाँ नीचे थोड़े से product वगैरह के बारे में अच्छे logos. On the back side, we have a lot of the information, but sadly that is covered by this thing. जितना पढ़ सकते हैं, please pause the video and read it, and without wasting any time, let's actually unbox this bad boy. So as you can see, I have opened the seal already because I wanted to see. Now जैसे ही हम इसको खोलते हैं, we have nothing too fancy. We have this box and we'll take that out. Ooh la la. Okay. This looks a bit fancy. This is almost like a book. यहाँ पे Elgato का we have the logo अंदर. This is actually butter paper. We'll keep that to the side and boom! Directly we see the capture card in front of us. Oh my god, this is like very light. It's like ultra light. On the front it says HD60X. यहाँ पे we have a LED which I think turns on and is a light indicator. On the right side here we can see that it's a chat link wala USB 3.5mm jack. On the back side we have HDMI in, we have a USB-C and we have HDMI out. नीचे की तरफ यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं and this is actually बहुत ज़्यादा ही light है, suspicious तरीके से, like it has nothing inside. We'll keep that to the side and बाकी इसके अलावा we have one USB to USB-C and the next thing is a normal HDMI cable. इसके अलावा in the box we have Elgato का sticker जो जाएगा मेरे लैपटॉप पे. As you can see, like I have plenty of stickers already, so this shall be going on my laptop only as well. Other than that, यहाँ पे we have a lot of information in different type of languages. एंड नीचे इन्होंने हमें प्लग एंड प्ले कैसे करना है वो बता रखा है विद देयर सोशल्स मेंशन्ड एज वेल. इसके अलावा इन दिस वी हैव सम पेपर वर्क जो कोई नहीं पढ़ने वाला, बट दैट इज इट एक्चुअली. या दैट वाज द बॉक्स. पीछे वी हैव सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड दिस वाज Elgato का HD60X गेम कैप्चर कार्ड. Well, that was it for the unboxing of the Elgato HD60X. This I have very high hopes and I hope it lives up to the hype. Now, well, I have also had experience with थोड़े से सस्ते, टिकाऊ and affordable different type of capture cards. So I can make a contrasting video कि ये versus Elgato, how they work. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing कि how these differ to the Elgato. For example, this one costed me for 3,000 rupees. And this one also costed me the similar, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And I'm back with BGMI streams. I stream them every day after 10 PM. Keep an eye out on the channel for new videos. Join my Discord for updates. And the link is at the top of the description to join my Discord. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!